Salut tout le monde! Hello everyone! In this tutorial we are going to look at direct object pronouns in French. So students have been asking how you know where to put the pronoun in a sentence. It may seem confusing, but once you know how to find the verb and the structure of the sentence, it becomes fairly simple. So for our direct object pronouns we have le, la, l'apostrophe, les. We also have me, te, nous, and vous. For our first position, we have subject plus verb. If you have a subject plus verb, your pronoun will come before the verb. For example, je fais le lit, I make the bed, changes to je le fais, I make it. Now in English we say I make it, but in French we say I, it, make. It may sound a little awkward, but it's je fais le lit, je le fais. For our second position, we have subject plus verb plus infinitive. Now, an infinitive is the verb before it's been conjugated. For example, je vais faire, I'm going to make or I'm going to do. In this position, when you have subject plus verb plus infinitive, your pronoun will go in between the two. For example, je vais faire le lit changes to je vais le faire. I'm going to make the bed. I'm going to it make. For our third position, we have subject plus verb plus past participle. When you have subject plus verb plus past participle, your pronoun will go before the auxiliary verb. For example, j'ai fait le lit changes to je l'ai fait. I made the bed. I, it made. And our last position here in this tutorial, we have the command. The command is a verb form. It's the verb without the subject. For example, stand up, pass the potatoes, make the bed, a command. So in this position, your pronoun comes after the command, but it will also have a hyphen. For example, fais le lit, make the bed, changes to fais hyphen le. Now, back to the pronouns. If your noun in the sentence is masculine, you're going to use the masculine pronoun le. If the noun's feminine, you would use la. L'apostrophe goes before a word that begins with a vowel sound, and les is for plural. I hope this helps.